Welcome to 5512 Yorkshire Street in Springfield, Virginia.
We're in Kings Park with the Queen model, 2,399 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Join us today for your own private tour.
The living room is located directly off of the foyer. At over 22 feet in length, this expansive room could be considered a great room. With recessed lighting, a beautiful bay window, and a decorative fireplace, this room is cozy and elegant. The hardwood flooring continues from the great room into the dining room. You'll notice the wood detailing throughout the room, pendant lighting, and a picturesque view of the private backyard.
In the kitchen, you have it all, from the stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and you have cabinetry throughout the entire kitchen, even your own personal breakfast bar, or can be used as a coffee bar, and the ideal area for an eat-in kitchen. This screened-in porch is located off your main level, and you're gonna love entertaining and enjoying time, not only in nature, also with friends. You have direct access to your driveway as well as to your patio. This room gives you the opportunity to enjoy nature all 4 seasons of the year.
The primary bedroom provides you with a peaceful retreat that you deserve, featuring dual closets and an ensuite bathroom. The upper level of the home has 3 additional bedrooms with hardwood flooring throughout that are served by the second full bathroom.
The lower level has both functionality and design. With recessed lighting, brand new flooring, you have an additional storage area where your laundry room is located, and your own access to the side yard with a walk-up stairwell. Standing in your backyard, this is your private oasis with such a mature setting, grown beautiful trees right off of your screen-in porch. I'm standing on your stone patio. This is the perfect opportunity to enjoy nature and your privacy of your backyard. You'll see that the seller has done additional terracing throughout the backyard, and this is where you're gonna spend the majority of your time. Thank you for joining us on a tour today of the beautiful Queen model located in Kings Park. Reach out to the Nellis Group today for your own private tour.